How many hours do you sleep? This video will shock you. Most people think that as long as they're sleeping, they're fine. But that's not true. How many hours you sleep could be silently damaging your brain, your heart, and your mental health. And most people have no idea where they actually fall on this scale. Today, we're going through every sleep level, from 0 to 50. Be honest with yourself as we go. No sleep means deadly. This is not an exaggeration. Going completely without sleep puts your body into a crisis state. Your heart is under stress. Your brain starts to shut down. After just a few days without sleep, organ failure becomes a real risk. No sleep is not just exhaustion. It is a medical emergency. 1 hour means very dangerous. 1 hour of sleep is barely nothing. Your brain never reaches the deep sleep stages it desperately needs. Your reaction time slows dramatically. Your judgment is impaired, similar to being legally drunk. Driving or operating anything after just 1 hour of sleep is extremely risky. 2 hours means inattentive, prone to errors. 2 hours gives your body just a tiny window to recover. You'll make mistakes you normally wouldn't make. Simple tasks feel harder than they should. Your brain is running on almost empty, and it shows. 3 hours means extremely tired. 3 hours hits all of your cognitive functions hard. Memory, focus, decision-making, all of it suffers. You might get through the day, but barely. Your body is sending you a clear warning signal here. 4 hours means unfocused. 4 hours is where a lot of people live, and they don't even realize the damage. You can function, but important tasks feel overwhelming. Your brain struggles to prioritize. Long-term 4 hours of sleep regularly increases your risk of heart disease and diabetes. 5 hours means unmotivated. 5 hours and you'll notice something different. It's not just tiredness, it's a loss of drive. Goals feel far away. Effort feels pointless. Studies show that 5 hours of sleep regularly is linked to anxiety and emotional instability. 6 hours means simply tired. 6 hours is where most people think they're doing okay. But research says otherwise. You're still building up what scientists call sleep debt. You feel tired but functional. And that feeling tricks you into thinking 6 hours is enough. It isn't. 7 hours means the sweet spot. 7 hours is where your body truly begins to thrive. Your brain consolidates memory, your cells repair properly, your hormones balance out. Your mood stabilizes. Most adults function at their very best on 7 hours of quality sleep. If you're hitting 7 hours consistently, you're doing great. 8 hours means full recovery. No risk. 8 hours gives your body everything it needs and more. Full brain restoration, strong immune function, emotional balance, physical recovery. 8 hours is the gold standard, and for good reason. 9 hours means sluggish. Now here's where it flips. 9 hours might sound like a luxury means, but it can actually leave you feeling heavy and slow. That groggy, dragging feeling you get after oversleeping, that's your body telling you it got too much of a good thing. Occasional 9-hour nights are fine, but regularly sleeping 9 hours can signal an underlying issue. 10 hours means lack of concentration. 10 hours and focus actually gets worse, not better. Your brain becomes foggy. Work feels difficult. This level of sleep, when it happens consistently, can be a sign that something deeper is going on with your health. 15 hours means linked to depression. This is a serious signal. Sleeping 15 hours regularly is not rest. It's your body trying to escape. Research has linked excessive sleep like this directly to depression and other mental health conditions. If you or someone you know is regularly sleeping this much, it's time to speak to a doctor. So now you know what every sleep level actually does to your body. And here's the question everyone's wondering. Where do you fall on this scale? Be honest. Drop your number in the comments right now. Are you getting your 7, or are you stuck in the danger zone? If this video gave you something to think about, hit like and subscribe. We cover health topics just like this every week. Your body is always sending you signals. We just help you understand them.